Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of TOC Hunting and Outdoors. Today's TOC 2-Minute Tuesday is going to be on rangefinders. This is the Monarch 3000 made by Nikon. It is a upper middle class rangefinder, or it could be put on the bottom end of the upper class for rangefinders. The price point for this particular rangefinder is anywhere from $349 Canadian to as much as $599 Canadian plus your local taxes. The Monarch 3000, guys, is a sleek, ergonomically friendly design that's completely waterproof. When you hold it up to your eye, it has an okay eye relief, but it's got that 6x21 great glass, so you have a nice monocular with you guys in the bush. The Monarch's ergonomically friendly design allows for your finger placement to fall perfectly onto the buttons, one for the range, the other for the mode, which changes your illuminations, plus any of the other functions of the Monarch 3000. Nikon also threw in this carrying case to protect your Monarch 3000. It is easily fastened to your belt through the belt loop and or clipped with the carabiner. The design of the Monarch 3000 allows for the battery to be easily placed and assembled into the bottom of the rangefinder. Nikon also included a lanyard so that it could be worn around your neck so you don't drop your rangefinder while in the field. The Monarch 3000 is easily focused by just adjusting it at the back of the rangefinder. Monarch 3000 has some of the best technology on the market, including the advanced vibration reduction system to help control the shakes when you get that buck fever. A rangefinder is an absolute must for your hunting kit, guys, whether it be in your backyard shooting, out in the blind hunting, sighting in your bow or your gun. If you're letting a bullet fly or an arrow fly, you need to make sure that you're accurate for both short and long range shooting so that you can hit the target and not let an arrow fly over the target, so that the next time you get an opportunity, you're going to be able to hit the mark. And the Monarch 3000 is my suggestion to you. So hit the market, guys. Find one that suits both your hunting needs and your bank account, so I'm not afraid of your wife. This concludes today's TOC 2-Minute Tuesday. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.